Oh man, when my alarm went off at 9:30, I was so terribly confused. I'm not usually awake this time of day. I work nights anymore, and so even when I have to do something during the day, I'm usually not up until noon or something. So yeah, so I was highly confused when I woke up, and I'm like, why am I awake so early? And I was up for a minute before I remembered why I got up. Well, gotta put my stuff in and take it to the post office real quick and go get some gas. Okay, we're just about to head off and probe Uranus. Got everything loaded. Got our little buddies back here. I could get my real camera out, but it's too much effort, so I'm being nice. But we're stopped somewhere or another at a Love's truck stop.
Stratford.
We're Stratford, so we can get something to drink. If there's anything fun to do in Uranus, we're gonna do it. I'm kind of glad it's overcast. It's not so hot now. And I don't know what the actual temperature is. My bike says it's 96. I believe the bank sign there in Rolla said it was 94, so it's somewhere around there. So you see there's that Sparkle Brook Road. It makes me think of a quote from a movie.
Sometimes I doubt your commitment to sparkle motion.
From Donnie Darko. I hope my GoPro battery doesn't go dead before we get to Uranus. Yeah, it'll be a little after 2 we stop at Uranus. We left a little bit later than I planned, and we made a stop, so it's okay. Big fun in Uranus. 8 miles. Explore Uranus. Exit now. Yep, next exit we get to explore Uranus. That's a really pretty sight right there.
Right, I've been in Uranus, buddy.
I did now. I'll pass.
Apparently somebody's missing a pair of balls. Apparently here they like you to stroke their guns. heading out to go to the Rupados Park, or how to say that.
All right, everybody, thank you for coming to FDBM 22. Thank you so much.
Stu, that was there. Did you have a good Uranus joke?
Oh no, do I have a good
Yeah.
Not off the top of my head.
Okay. With all the Harley Davidsons out here, I'm gonna walk around and I'm gonna point out all of the ones that I see that are not Harley Davidsons. So we're gonna start from the beginning of the line. Looks like all of those are Harleys. There we go. We got another Indian Roadmaster. That's what I need. I need a couple. Of course, there's my toys on it.
Come on, let it go, 'cause it's a jungle out there. Everybody got a wild side. Yeah, you're probably about to see mine.
Wait, what about the rifles?
You said that someone called and said that here they saw someone unloading like 47 rifles or something like that.
What?
Yeah. Like, what the hell?
Did he just come up and be like, what's going on?
He's like, are you guys, he asked me like, are you guys doing a gun raffle? I said, no. I was like, well, I got a call saying about these rifles. So I'm like, that seems strange because it seems like a nice calm gathering. So unless you guys are doing a raffle for rifles, I don't know why you
do a raffle for shirts and stuff. And
right, I told him that. Yeah. He's like, yeah, this looks,
green.
he's like, it's probably someone who just doesn't like motorcycles.
Somewhere there's a bass boat missing some paint. Fair, but come on.
Oh boy.
Especially telling that the lady that was going to
Get there.
Well, I stayed at the hotel.
Holy crap, I want something.
Renegade Babe t-shirt.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
We got ourselves some food truck food. And also, I don't know if I got it on camera or not because I was trying to hurry, but I won a delicious. Okay, I think we've had enough sun for a bit. We're gonna head back to the hotel. I'll have to model my new shirt I won once we get there. Okay, so the light's not the greatest in here, but see my shirt that I won. It says motorcycles, but it's meant to look like the Pornhub logo. So yeah, it's kind of funny.
Plates here. We should have jacked some this morning.
So this is our plan for dinner. Instead of going somewhere, we had enough people for one day, so we're eating our leftovers, and we got some Sonic slushes, and we're putting Bacardi in it. Oh man. So far, I've been lucky not to have to make a complete stop here. I'm sitting here in Uranus watching a premiere of my video in Uranus so I can live chat and everything. Hey look, there's additional parking in Uranus.
It's creating some interesting packing conundrums.
Oh no, Uranus is all wet now.
Oh no.
I let this video drop this morning. I'll have to watch it when I get home.
Okay. Yeah, I was like, well, we're not the only ones that's gonna get all wet in Uranus. We're about to leave this spot here, so.
We slide right in. That's good too. You guys heading to Hoppers?
No, we're just gonna head home. There's supposed to be a lot of rain. We're gonna try to beat some of it.
Damn, a lot of rain.
It's gonna be raining from here to Joplin, and so hopefully we'll miss the worst of it.
Right.
We'll see.
Have fun. See y'all later. Have safe travel.
Thank you. I have a raincoat, but since she doesn't have a raincoat, I'm not gonna wear mine. You know, make it fair that way. Bye, Uranus. Yep. Like I said, we ride hard in Uranus and leave it wet. Stay in your lane, buddy. At least having fairings will make it so that we don't get as wet. And I'll block a lot of the water from her too, so that's good. For some reason there's cars at all the churches. It's almost like it's Sunday morning or something. And the rain hitting my visor is kind of loud. I hope my new GoPro Media Mod is somewhat water resistant. I know the old one I didn't have any issues, but this new one I don't know. I just realized that this is Missy's first time ever riding a motorcycle in the rain. Hope she's not having too bad of a time back there. Like I say though, I think I'm blocking most of the rain off of her. I bet a lot of people are passing us or seeing us pass them and think, what idiots. Well, they're not the only ones riding in the rain today. Don't want to spend too much time around that truck. It's toxic, it's corrosive, and it go boom. Man, we haven't really been out of the rain all that long and my pants are already completely dry.